Hello around, welcome, Tino Galaxie here. How you guys doing today? Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing slash review on the AK510 keyboard, retro keyboard. It's by Ajazz non-codex. I have no idea what's the company, but this is a mechanical keyboard, retro style with RGB, which is gonna be an upgrade to my $20 wireless keyboard with no RGB or lighting, so it's very difficult to see it at night. So I'll try to give you an overview of the box. You can see on the side of the box right here, it gives you like a preview of the cabs and how it's gonna look. Ajazz non-codex, and on the back it shows you a full layout of the keyboard. Very cool. All right, so we take the slip out, just a little slip. And there you go. We have the keyboard itself. What we have on the package is pretty much the keyboard, the cover for the keyboard. And then we have the actual keyboard itself. Taking away the keyboard, which is very heavy. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Wow. So heavy. So going from a cheap one, which I mean I had it for like 6 years, going to a first actual mechanical keyboard. So heavy, like it's so heavy. Like I can literally knock somebody out with this. Like legit. So heavy. Wow. So unfortunately this one is connected via USB cable. I was hoping it could be like wireless because I really enjoy the wireless, but this one has RGB, and oh my god, it feels so good already compared to this one. Let's take this out of the package. There we have it. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh wow. Right away, the heaviness. Jesus Christ, this is so heavy. I can knock somebody out with this. Okay, so it has different lining modes, and you have to press the FN and then the shrink. I don't know how you. And that's pretty much the regular mode, and then it has this mode. This is when you press it goes the lining. The next mode is explosion waves, and then has this one. It's like solid colors like Legos. This is like the breathing kind of thing. And we had this one which is like solid colors but like alternate. And then we have this one which is very cool. It's like when you press a button, the line lights up like a laser kind of thing. We have this one which is like party linings. And which has this one which is kind of like a rainbow, but it's like a circular mode. And they have this one which is also very cool. When you type, it makes like this explosion. So it's like explosion. And then this one which is like alternating different colors on keycaps. And then we have this one which is solid, which is like a constant laser going back and forth. And we come back to the regular. So it comes with this tool to take out the keycaps, and then it comes with spacebar and enter and escape keycaps, so you can put them there. Show you how to take them off. So you put it in here and then kind of get a corner, and then you have to pull very hard, and there you go, it pops. There you go, we got out. And you can see it says cherry brown here. cherry brown stabilizers, and this is the stabilizers. There you go. We got it out. Just gonna align it and then cool. So here is with new red keycap, enter, space, and exit. And yes, it is very cool. Typing is amazing compared to this one right here. Cheap. So yes, to be my first actual mechanical keyboard, very heavy, not what I was expecting. Very cool typing. I'm gonna enjoy typing on this. And for gaming, it has its gaming mode, which is FN, then 1, standard, WASD, escape, and then you use your mouse. Cool. So this is a very cool keyboard, and I really gonna enjoy. Thank you so much for watching Tino Galaxie, and I'll see you in the next video. Till next time.